What's up, guys? Welcome back to another recipe. So today we're going to be making the exact same peanut butter energy bites that we made the last time, except we're going to turn them into energy bars by adding protein powder this time around. And I'm excited for you guys to learn how to make these because they're going to be your go-to, trust me. So let's get started. Let's show you guys how to make these bars. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started with our base, which is basically, again, it's 1 cup of old-fashioned oats. I only had the quick oats, so you can use those as well, so don't worry about that. And then we're going to go ahead and use the peanut butter. Now, it does call for 2/3 in the actual recipe, but because I make such a large amount to also make some energy bites, I use about half of the bottle of peanut butter. All right, so next we're going to go ahead and do half a cup of the semi-sweet chocolate chips. Yep. All right, we're going to go ahead and add half a cup of our flaxseed. And pour it in here. So now we're going to add the 2 tablespoons of honey in here. Now, I like to add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure it's like pure vanilla extract, not that garbage that you sometimes will find at the grocery store. And then we're just going to go ahead and add our actual protein. So your choice of whatever protein powder you actually want to use. I'm using this hemp protein and it's vanilla flavor. So I'm adding 1 scoop to this. All right, and now we're just going to go ahead and mix everything in here. I'm going to add brewer's yeast to mine, and here's why, ladies. Remember, I'm still working on breastfeeding, so I end up adding about a tablespoon of brewer's yeast. So if you're a mom who is breastfeeding, you can go ahead and add this, and it's just a plus to add in your protein bars. All right, so now we're just gonna mix everything. I usually just start with a little spatula like this, and then I put my hand in it just to mix it better. So make sure you wash your hands, ladies, so you can really get in there and get to work. So now that I kind of just moved things around here, we're gonna go ahead and you can also add 2 tablespoons of water if you wanted to, if it seems to be too dry for you. But you don't have to, so I'll go ahead and start using my hand. All right, so here is where we are going to make sure we just get it all on your sheet. I think this is I don't know what size this is, sheet, but you get the drift, right? You know what size it is. So we're gonna put some of this batter and just start kind of making it flat on here to make it spread all over this pan. So let's get started. All right, so your pan should look something like this, guys. And I know it seems like a lot of work, but trust me, it'll be so worth it after you have them. So let's move on to the next step. All right, guys, so now you'll go ahead and get your semi-sweet chocolate. And I use about a cup of this. A cup and a half, since we made a bigger batch. And we'll just pour them in here. And all we're gonna do is keep stirring until it melts. right, so we're just gonna go ahead and pour this over like this. And if it looks good, trust me, that's because it is good. All right, so after we're done pouring, guys, we're gonna get some sea salt. I don't know how to tell you like how much to get. I would just say kind of just sprinkle them, because I just like to sprinkle it like this. And that's it. And that's about as much as you should have on there, no more than that. And then we're just gonna put them in the fridge and let them get hard, and there are your no-bake protein bars, guys. So let me know what you think about them.